You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know, looks very confusing. It's actually pretty straightforward once you know. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Vivid, that's your standard English pronunciation. V, a short E sound. Vivid, vivid. Vivid, another short E sound. Some may pronounce it a bit more as vivid, with a schwa sound. Vivid, that's kind of fine too, but it's normally vivid. Vivid. Can you pronounce it correctly? How to pronounce vivid? Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.